हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज भगीरथ एंड वेलकम टू द अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ प्लेसमेंट टॉक, जहां मैं बात करने वाला हूं रवि राजन से, जो कि शेयर करेंगे अपने कॉग्निजेंट इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस को. सो वील बी टॉकिंग ऑन वेरियस टॉपिक like what type of questions were asked, how he has tackled that question, and what type of question are asked in interview, which a student generally has regarding the cognizant interview. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end so that you can get each and every information regarding the cognizant selection process. And yes, if you are new here, then please subscribe the channel and let's move to the video. So welcome Ravi Rajan, and we'll be starting by your introduction. So please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Ravi Rajan. I have done my engineering from Institute of Engineering and Management, Salt Lake, Kolkata in Information Technology. There I am placed in Cognizant. Apart from Cognizant, I am also placed in TCS and Wipro.
Okay, so my next question is, what is your motivation to take this exam, and what is the pay package and all? Tell us something about this.
My motivation to take this exam is to work in a well-reputed firm, and Cognizant is one of such firms. It is known for its services all over the world, and it is one of the best firms working in our country. The basic pay package for this job is 4 lakh, around 4 lakh per annum.
So what type of questions were asked in the examination?
For the selection of this job profile, the exam which was taken was divided into 3 major rounds. The first round consists of an online exam which was taken on AMCAT platform. The second round is of technical interview round, and third round is of HR interview round. In online exam, it was divided into 4 major sections. The first section consists of English passages, the second section consists of reasoning questions, and third section consists of quants question, and fourth section is of automata fixed questions. There were 4 to 5 passages, each of 4 to 5 questions. The passage level was medium. If you are in continued reading process, you can answer the question very well. And coming to next section, there was 26 to 27 reasoning questions, which was of medium level. Few questions of reasoning section was very easy. You can solve it in few seconds only. And other question was tricky. 1 to 2 question was of difficult level. And same also for quant section. Now coming for automata fixed, there were 7 questions. If you answer correctly, or if you were able to compile successfully 1 to 2 questions, then you definitely get an interview call. I would suggest you to answer at least 4 to 5 questions so that there is a good impression on the interview.
So which resources you will suggest to the candidates who are preparing for such examination, and linking the same with the resources you followed?
I used to practice R.S. Agarwal book question for the quant section and reading questions also. And I really used to read newspaper, so I was well able to answer the English passage answers. And for the coding section, I used to practice coding on HackerRank. I used to generally practice on problem solving questions. And as the question of automata fixed was very easy or medium level, it was not very hard. So I would like to suggest you practice basic question of coding so that you can find the error and bugs very easily.
So what type of question were asked in the interview?
The questions which were asked me in technical interview was few basic coding questions. One was Fibonacci series question. When I was able to answer it, the interviewer asked me how I would able to retrace back Fibonacci. Basically, he was trying to check my confidence level. He would also try to analyze whether I was suitable for working in certain new condition or not, whether my brain works if certain new condition or criteria was imposed on me. And apart from that, he only asked me few questions from my CV only. And the subject which were mentioned in my CV, such as database management system and operating system, he asked me question from that only. From database management question, he has asked me what is ACID properties, what is three normal form, what is BCNF, what is transaction management question. That's all from database management system. And from the operating system, he has asked me difference between Unix, Mac, and Windows operating system. He has also asked me what is deadlock and what is the deadlock prevention technique which we are following. What is ostrich method?
At last, do you have any suggestion for the upcoming batch or the candidates who are preparing for the examination or going to sit in the placements? So any sort of suggestions?
My suggestion for the future aspirants would be that they must practice quants question. They should practice quant question every day. Apart from quants, they must practice coding. Coding is must, and they should also try to communicate well. If there is certain problem with them to communicate, that there might be fear of communicating in English, then they should practice it with their friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi, for joining me and sharing the information, your experience. So thank you very much. And yes, that's all for this videos. And if you like this video, then please like it. If you have any doubt, then comment below and see the description box for the such related videos. And yes, if you are new here, then please subscribe the channel so that you can get such related videos. Thank you.